So our next presentation is from Fatima Mechanique, and she is from the Faculty of Engineering and Industrial Sciences at Swinburne University of Technology. And the title of Fatima's 3-minute thesis presentation is Long-Term Rainfall Forecasting. Please welcome Fatima.
Imagine you are a farmer. You have prepared your land, you have planted your seeds, you have done whatever you are supposed to do to have a good harvest in the coming year. But there is always this question in the back of your mind. Will I be getting enough rainfall in the coming seasons? And if yes, how much rainfall I'm going to get? Do I need to provide extra water resources for my land in case the rainfall is not enough? Well, the Bureau of Meteorology usually can't help you with that because, as we all know, the maximum time period that they can forecast rainfall is up to a week. And a weekly rainfall forecast is not really good enough for a farmer. A farmer needs to have a long-term plan. Knowing the amount of rainfall for the coming seasons is not only beneficial for the primary producers, the farmers, but also for the water managers. I'm sure we all remember the devastating floods of Queensland in 2011. If the water managers knew how much rainfall they were going to get in the coming seasons, they would have been able to prevent that disaster. My research is exactly on this. How can we forecast rainfall for a longer period, for example, the coming seasons or even the coming year? Well, I have found a way of doing this by knowing that the sea surface temperatures in Pacific Ocean and Indian Ocean has some effect on Australian seasonal rainfall. What I have done is develop a computer model that works like a brain. It has artificial neurons, similar to a brain, and artificial synapses that connects these neurons together. And it can learn like a brain. What I do is take the information of the sea surface temperatures in Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean and the related seasonal Australian rainfall and show this information to my model. By showing this information several times to the model will learn that there is a relationship and it can extract that relationship. Now, if a primary producer, a farmer, or a water manager wants to know how much rainfall we are going to get in the coming season, I will go back to my computer model, show to the model the recent information of the sea surface temperatures in these two oceans, and because the model has already learned the relationship, it can tell me how much rainfall we are going to get. So now remember, if you ever decided to become a farmer or a water manager, come and see me. Thank you.